How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be covering the removal and installation of the lower door and striker bumpers for all 1994 to 2004 Mustang applications. These lower door and striker bumpers do become dry and brittle over time. These bumpers help to prevent metal-to-metal contact when closing the doors, and if they are worn or not present, they can cause damage to the body and the doors on your ride. Starting off with the lower door bumpers, the 94 to 98 and the 99 to 04 models will differ slightly. The 94 to 98 is slightly smaller than the 99 to 04 counterpart. Removal and installation will be the same on these. You can simply grab a hold of the old bumper and remove this from the door by pulling outward. When going back in with the new units, you can apply a small dab of dielectric grease to help you ease this into place. Make sure to fully press and seat in the bumper to the door frame. The striker bumpers will vary throughout the 94 to 04 year range. Some will have 2 on each side, some will have 1, and some will not have them at all. The striker bumpers are removed the same way. Grab these and simply pull them out of the striker assembly. Going back in with the new striker bumpers will be a very tight fit. I found the use of a small flat-bladed screwdriver helped push this one into place until it was fully seated. Now you can shut your door with confidence, knowing that you have these in place. Alright everyone, I know this one may seem simple, but it is little details like this that can really change even the most common things like shutting your door on your Mustang. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and turn on notifications so you can be up to date on all your tech content like this one. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.